So while I was in the garage working on the Ducati, I just received this box which should contain the paddock stand. So yeah, let's get right in and open this box. So we have the normal paddock stand over here with the two arms, and there is the attachment for the bobbins. And over here we have the rear paddock stand with the single swing arm and the shaft which goes into the wheel. I will start removing these bobbins, one on each side. They are just 10mm bolt inside. So once I remove those bobbins, I should be able to attach the new paddock stand. So let's get right on it. There it is, just 2 bolts and it's out. So I also have this passenger cover for the seat. I just need to fix it up, remove the old double-sided tape because it's not sticky anymore. I'm gonna put in some new tape and then put in the Ducati badge over there. Once that is done, I'm also replacing the gear selector rubber because on my bike it's currently missing, so I just bought a new one. I've also bought some tools, the rear axle adjuster, chain riveting tool, and also gaskets for the alternator side. Also got a torque wrench. So let's just get on with this cover, let's fix it up and let's put it on the bike.
Got some feelings that I've kept inside. Tell me your reasons for leaving me behind. I've got something I don't need to hide. Struck by lightning, you and me collide. I'll keep swimming right across the sea. Won't stop dreaming of what we could be.
So now the cover is ready, so let's go ahead and get the gear selector rubber so we can fix it over here.
I'll keep swimming right across the sea. Won't stop dreaming of what we could be.
So as you can see, the clear coat has peeled off, so I'm just gonna take it off, remove the remaining clear coat, clean it up, and then just respray it with another coat of clear coat.